This 1967 Plymouth Belvedere GTX is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. GTX Convertible GTX Package S Super Commando 440 SID Engine Torque Flight Transmission Sure Grip Differential Power Steering Electric Clock Console Heavy-Duty Suspension Package White Convertible Top Dark Blue Metallic Exterior Blue Leather Interior Build Sheet Original Window Sticker Protecto Plate. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery, Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 1967 Plymouth Belvedere GTX Convertible is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery, Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery, Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.